Usually north pole and south pole attract, north pole and north pole repel. Similarly, in electricity, we have how many types of charges? Two types, positive charge
and negative charge.
So what are the basic property of charge? What are basic properties? Not anode, cathode. See, there will be positive charge, positive charge and negative charge. There will be attraction or repulsion? Attraction. Suppose if I give you positive and positive,
Repulsion.
so there will be repulsion. Repulsion in the sense I will show like this. Attraction I need to show like this. Yes, this is basic property when your science teacher teach you during 6th or 7th standard. 7th. But in 9th and 10th standard, same science teacher will tell you about the atom. Even our Shruti madam also teach you the same. Yes. You should not ask the teacher to move that side and this side. You should frame the camera. Okay. Now, suppose if I consider the atom, usually there will be protons inside the nucleus like this.
Electrons will be evolving.
So all together I call it as the what? Nucleus. And around this there will be
Electrons.
orbits, orbit 1, orbit 2, like this, right? And there will be electrons revolving around the nucleus. And here a simple idea, a kind of doubt you should get actually. In 7th standard, say teacher taught you positive repel. But how can here this positive attract inside the nucleus? Hey, what a logic. Madam Ji, Sardar Papa. Okay, now, and here positive and negative attract, but here negative is not attracting. What makes? It is not moving out, it is not coming in. Instead of that, it is moving, and also in 10th class especially, they will tell you, these circular orbits are actually in wave-like structure, right? That is why it has dual nature. And it has angular momentum also, angular velocity also, because it is moving like this. Actual structure is like this one. Sometimes radius more, sometimes radius less, like this. What is making electron to move that like that? These doubts students should get actually and ask the teacher in grade 10 itself. Yeah, when you get, you have to ask this. You will get definitely either 9th or 10th. Now, let us understand the history behind this, because you told history is your favorite chapter. Yes. So there was a Big Bang. Do you know Big Bang? There was Big Bang. Big Bang means?
In geography, there is geography Big Bang.
Let us discuss later about that, okay? So Big Bang means a large explosion, okay? Which release some large amount of energy. Energy is released in terms of what? Energy is released in terms of gravitons. Graviton is the fundamental particle. Okay, quarks and photons and universal celebrity electrons. And etc. Many particles are there, 100 plus particles. Okay. And the interaction due to gravitons created a fundamental force that is called gravitational force. And the interaction between quarks create a fundamental force that is electromagnetic force. Electrical force, electromagnetic force, all because of the quarks. And the interaction between a different kind of energy, that is photon. This is light energy. Again, you should understand here, the Big Bang is a large explosion which at that time the large amount of energy is released. Energy released in what form? In particles form. So all are light particles. That is why electron is a fundamental particle, but proton is not fundamental particle. Even neutron is not fundamental particle. And here this quarks is a interesting story. In quarks, we have two types of quarks. One type is up, another type is down. Okay, and this subquark property, charge is plus 1e. This down quark minus 1e. This is the property of these quarks. So after millions of years, what happened? There is very interesting phenomena. There was a friendship between them. Friendship is converted slowly to the fall in love. Okay, after that, they fall like this, up and down, they became a family. What is total charge of this one? Total charge. It is actually not 1 by e, it is actually 2 by 3e, and this is 1 minus 1 by 3e. What is net charge for this? Still minus 1 charge. And after forming family, still there will be again up another side and down here, and all are roaming, right? Because it is a new universe and they are free birds. So this downward is trying to attract one up this side. This up quark is trying to attract one down this side. So because of these, again, triangle love story, what happened? There is up, down, and down. This up attracted one down here. So this formed as a particle. And again, another scenario, one down and this is up. This down attracted one up this side. So this is another one. So all together became a family. Yes. And this family total charge how much? Calculate. Calculate.
2 by 3. 1 by 3 plus 2 minus 1 by 3.
See, minus 1 by 3,
Oh,
minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3, plus 2 by 3. Total charge?
minus 1 by 3.
0. 0 E. And here plus 2 by 3, plus 2 by 3, plus 4 by 3, minus 1 by 3, plus 3 by 3,
0.
plus 1 E.
Oh, this one is 0 and this one is 0.
As this is electrically neutral, this particle is called as the neutron.
So because of quarks, neutron is formed.
Yes.
Oh.
And again, because as this has the positive charge, this is named as positive charge, so proton.
So how did neutrons, protons and electrons come together?
Yeah, that is next story, next episode. Please wait.
How photons and protons?
This is the reason why neutron and proton has almost the same mass. Because number of quarks here 3, number of quarks here 3.
3.
Just because of the difference in number of up and down quarks, this proton has a little bit more mass than neutron. Yes, this is the basic thing, and the story not yet completed. Continue in the next screen. I hope you understood. Very interesting, very interesting. Actually, this story is not known to much people. Okay, now what is the last episode?
First,
Yeah, this is up, down,
Up.
up. Oh, not
No,
up.
not down.
Down.
Down. Yes, you are
Down.
with more focus because it is a story. And that is moreover, it is history. And one down, one up, another up.
Up.
So what is this particle?
That is
Proton.
Proton and this neutron.
Neutron.
So again, after millions of years, it is a natural tendency, they got bored in their family. So this has a pseudo interaction towards this. This is down, this is up, right? So there will be a pseudo interaction. So they again fall into love. So they formed a joint family. What is the joint family? Down,
Up.
up,
down,
down,
Up.
up,
Down.
down, and up. So it is a combined family. It is the first nucleus formed. I hope you understand how this neutron and proton got attracted because of the attraction between up and down quarks. And again here, there is continuous redistribution. Why do they get redistribution? They are light particles, and moreover, this down will attract to the immediately attract to this up. This down also attract to this up.
This up.
So they are continuously moving over and over, over and over, over and over, not a fixed place.
So part.
What is total charge for them? You see.
Oh, wait. Minus.
See,
Plus.
this is 0e, this is plus 1e. If they combine, what is total charge? Plus 1e.
Plus 1.
Plus 1e. As the total charge is plus 1e, still they have the capacity to attract a negative, right? So there is free element available, that is celebrity
electron,
in the universe. Like, so this up quark will try to attract this.
electron and it will.
Once you see the beauty behind the science. So when electron is getting attracted to this positive, what did I tell you? They are not fixed places.
Then move.
So by the time it reach here, instead of this will move that side, and this is negative. Again this down quark negative. So it will come, negative repulsion, it will take the diversion.
okay, again it becomes.
So by the time it will go, again there will be up quark, again it will attract. So it will not go outside, it cannot come inside. This is the reason why electron will take wave nature. Yes,
We learned a circular or
very interesting. If you read the textbook properly, they will mention. That is why there will be NH by 2 pi. Angular momentum, constant, why, all these things will be there. And this is the first particle, and its name is hydrogen. Okay, why? Because plus 1a and this is minus 1a, all together 0, stable.
stable gas.
So that's the first particle we formed. Story not yet completed.
Helium is stable,
Three.
sir. Helium is stable.
All particles which are available in this form,
Are stable.
but again to attain more stability, they will join with their own family or other family. Like marriages will be there, na? Families will not stop there itself. So one hydrogen will join with another hydrogen, and again they become the molecule, that is hydrogen molecule. This is atom, I am saying. H. And a nucleus is like only 6 family members. So they will join with another 6 family. So giant family, that is helium. Yes, generation by generation.
Hydrogen.
Slowly they will increase their population. Yes. Suppose if I take Pedavelli family, 100 years back there might be only couple of people. So slowly Pedavelli, slowly sons, daughters, grandsons, granddaughters, many like this, from hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen.
Fluorine.
I am right. Okay, like this, and so on. Very interesting. It is actually a triangle love story between up quark and down quark. Just because of that interaction in universe, now we are enjoying all our comforts. Without hydrogen, without oxygen, and without carbon especially, all our life we can't imagine. Even for imagination also we need this. Yes. So let us end this episode by itself. Again, there must be suspension. We will continue this later when we get time. Okay. So why do you have nearly same amount of mass for the proton and neutron? Because they both have same number of quarks.
Quarks.
Okay. Why can't electron come and attract toward the nucleus? Because
they were
there is repulsion from the nucleus due to the down quarks.
downwards.
Being the positive charge, how can protons and protons attracted, protons and neutron attracted? Neutron actually zero, neutral. It looks like neutral, but still proton is able to attract inside the nucleus. How is it possible? Because of the attraction between up and down quarks in proton and neutron. And we call that attraction force, its name is nuclear force. Actually, what is nuclear force? The attraction, strong attraction force between up and down quarks of nucleons.
Yes.
What are nucleons?
Nucleus.
Proton and neutron.
Neutron.
Nucleons, family of nucleus, elements of nucleus, members of the
Protons and
nucleus.
neutrons.
Yes, protons and neutrons are nucleons.
Yes.
What happened?
For history, is that.
Bore? Yeah, actually, this is history. It happened millions of years ago. With reverse engineering, scientists are able to crack this. And before Big Bang, what happened? They are trying to do, but still, I think you may crack later by becoming scientist, astronauts, physicist. Right? Okay, shall we close the session for today? What happened? Srinidhi, tell me something. Whether you like up quark or down quark? Both.
I like electron.
Yeah.
My favorite celebrity also electron. Without electron, there is no meaning of the family. Yes, there is no element.
Long distance relative.
No, actually, it is light particle. It is fundamental.
Fundamental.
So, among proton, neutron, and electron, which is fundamental particle? Option A, electron. Option B, proton. Option C, neutron. Option D, all the above. Very attractive option. All the above.
Electron.
Yeah, as you know the story, then you can answer correctly. Yes. So may I close the session for today? It is a short session for today. Shall we start new topic next session? Because thermometry, as you told, you got bored. Let us see which questions you felt challenging. Adya, any question you felt challenging in this one? No question is challenging. Okay, fine. Then it's time to conclude. Thank you. Thank you, online students. Is Shreyas available?
Yeah.
Is yeah, Shreyas. Shreyas. Okay, close the session. Fine.